our sightseeing. Because yesterday we were basically just
Traveling.
trying to get here. Here's your face. Okay, we are heading to Big Ben right now. We wanted to leave a little bit early, but we kind of got carried away on the internet. We woke up really early too, and at the end we're like rushing. Let's get there.
Too much internet.
Too much internet. We should have got ready first, then
Went on the internet and relaxed.
lesson learned. Tomorrow we're doing that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is our neighborhood. Oh, I pressed something back today. So like right across the street is the little tower that you just saw.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look right. Look left. Look left. Look right. Yes.
Sounds like a song. Look left.
This is exciting. Okay, we're gonna teleport to Big Ben, okay?
Okay.
Ready?
3,
2, 1. Push.
We're inside of the houses of our
All around us.
all of us.
I can't tell. We kind of heard because the subway kept on delaying because apparently something happened. They kept on stopping. So we got on to the next tour. I don't know if you're allowed to take photos and videos, but enough with your face.
My grandma's it's kind of awkward.
Wellington.
That guy's pose.
Why don't you go pose with him? I'll take a photo for you. The other hand. Where we are? We are at.
Buckingham Palace.
This is so cool.
Sit down in the park.
Oh, you should take a picture. So we walked out of the Buckingham Square Palace and we're on the Wall Street and there's so much people around. Trying to take a picture is really hard, but look at all these flags! Looky! It's cool. Yeah. Now we're trying to find a restaurant so we can sit and eat because we're really tired.
Yeah.
We're really tired and we're hungry and we're thirsty, so
Yeah.
food is calling.
Yeah.
Yeah. I now feel like we're in London finally. It's so cool.
Yeah.
Hi.
Ah, my face. Okay, so we're at a restaurant and I got some Sprite. We're waiting for our food and this line of bubbles is never ending. Like I go, take it, disturb it, it's still going.
It's so weird. Like it's been going for like at least 10 minutes now.
Yeah. We're just like staring at it.
Yeah. Anyways, yeah, we finally found a restaurant. It's actually a cafe, but it's really cute. Yeah, and then there, you know what? There's free Wi-Fi, which is amazing. Why am I always taking your face on me? Yeah, there's free Wi-Fi. We finally got to sit down because we're exhausted. And look at Max's shoulder.
It's soaking.
Like he had a backpack on, like where his strap was. It's like wet. So outside. But when you come in, you're like, oh, food needs to come now. Food is here. That looks so good. What's it called? Something potato.
Yeah, something potato.
Oh shoot, we're so dumb. Forgot. What was it? Hot jacket something.
Yeah, hot jacked potato or something like
Not
that.
jack, like jack. I have no idea. And I got a panini. Yum yum. Itadakimasu. Everywhere we walk is pretty. Oh god. We're so weird, but it's so nice
They're the ones that they used in Harry Potter.
to go into the.
Ministry of Magic.
Yay!
Yay!
This is Max trying to fake British accent.
I wasn't using British accent.
You were like Harry Potter.
Harry Potter.
Oh, it's really hot.
Yeah, it's not even funny anymore.
It's actually really hot.
There's no cloud in the sky at all.
Yeah. A wild Canada flag appears. That was cool. We turn and we see a Canadian flag. We're like, I see Canada. I see TD. What? They're doing some Inuit. I don't know how to pronounce that properly. Thing. That's free admission. Maybe we can check it out later. We come to London and watch
Canada stuff.
Yeah, here's the National Gallery.
Yay!
Oh, so pretty. Okay, I said pretty so many times already.
Yeah.
But we're here, Trafalgar Square. I see a lot of Canadian flags now. Yeah, apparently there's. Yeah, I think there's something going on. Like there's like something going on.
Find out all about it.
Thank you. There's like a really religious event going on.
Yeah.
We're heading into the National Gallery now. So there is this religious event that's going on with concerts and everything, which is pretty cool. But the lion, two of the lions were sealed because there's a stage over there. So that's kind of sad, but oh well. So we found this road with like a lot of stores, and that looks really nice.
Yeah.
And we just kind of came and we don't even know where we are. But it's okay, it's cool. Look at the buildings, look at that. What is this place? It looks like a theater. We are in the British Museum and we're in the Medieval Europe Gallery. We kind of really like medieval Europe, both of us. So the first thing we picked to come is this room. Oh, it's cool.
Hi. This is our food. We're at fish and chips place. We're like a pub. And we're waiting for our food.
Yes. We are exhausted from so much sun and so much walking. Now it's your turn for your FaceTime berry. We got orange juice. There's orange in it. Yeah, we really wanted to try fish and chips from London or like UK, like real fish and chips. So we were searching for a store, like we're walking along the way, and they were like, found one. And we came in, it's like a pub.
Yeah.
And then Max is like the only little kid here.
Yeah.
And everybody else is like drinking.
Yeah.
A little awkward, but We didn't say no to. And we're just eating fish and chips too.
So,
So,
I hope it's good.
it's good. Can't wait.
Yeah.
After fish and chips, we're just gonna go home and faint.
Yeah, literally.
So tired, but so much fun. We had a lot of good times.
If we have enough energy when we get home, we're probably gonna do a haul.
We bought a lot of stuff, so
Yeah.
we are exhausted though. Tomorrow is gonna be another long day.
A long, 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 long day.
So we better sleep really early today.
Yeah.
Anyways, our food came. Look, this is trio fish.
Yeah.
3 dishes. Can you finish it?
I think so.
Wow, you're really hungry.
Yeah.
This is mine. It's huge. Okay, itadakimasu.